Hello guys and welcome back. Now this is a fun little BYTE Bluetooth enabled speaker. I came by this little cute looking speaker a few days ago. I got it for around about £3 from a B&M home store here in the UK. That's just below $4 in US dollars. It's 3 watts, it has a range of 10 meters, it's got a battery capacity of 250 mAh, a charge time of just over 1 hour, and a working time of 2 hours. Well, we'll see about that real soon. Inside the box, this BYTE speaker comes with a usual micro USB charge cable and instruction guide. Let's move it to the side. Yes, I said it. And let's take a look at the speaker. So this is obviously the cow version. There are other styles too available from BYTE. The legs and arms move, but I'm not gonna twist them. Trust me guys, I've got a knack of breaking things real soon when I get them. To the front we have a microphone. There's a speaker to the rear of the head, and to the side there is a pause power call button. Below that is a micro USB charge port with an LED light indicator. And last of all, we have the dancing on-off button, which is going to be a lot of fun. So let's just turn the power on. It does go into pairing mode right away. Select dancing speaker via the Bluetooth, which once confirmed, you will hear a connected beep sound effect. Now it's connected, let's get blasting some tunes.
Perfect.
Guys, you know what? That was so funny, man. I mean, instantly it just brings a smile to your face. I think kids are like this, big time. It's actually kind of loud as well, you know. I mean, it's like, alright, there's not much bass, but such a small unit, it's quite clear too. So yeah, the levels are good. The mids, highs and low tones are pretty much on point, as long as you don't turn it up too loud. And I think it's a good gadget. I mean, originally it was £10, but like I mentioned, I got this for only £3 at the time of this video upload. Let's play a few more tunes. But after using this BYTE dancing character speaker for around about half a day, the music playtime averaged around 1 hour 10 out of a full charge, but that's with that dance option selected. After turning the dance option off and fully recharging once again, we got 1 hour 40 with 100% volume being used. The speaker was consistently fun to use, my kids loved it, but there was only one downside, and that is the transmission distance, which out of the 10 meters listed, I only got 1 meter before the Bluetooth signal cut off, which is much lower than the specifications listed. But you know what, I don't really care, and again neither did my kids. It is a cool gadget with manual posable arms, and I think that most kids would find this little speaker a great gimmick, and it may be a great idea for a stocking filler towards Christmas. Out of my usual rating out of 10, I'm going to give this BYTE dancing speaker a 9 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this very quick review. Stay tuned for my new videos that will be coming real soon. Smash that like button if you liked it. Please subscribe guys, and make sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching, and well, I'll see you guys soon. Peace!